Wow, holy poles. Alright, yo, what is up, YouTube? I got y'all back with another video. As y'all can see, I freaking like coming here. I like coming to this parking garage. I don't know, it's something I like doing, but let's get yo, I literally was about to come out here, and then it started raining. It literally just started raining just recently. It's kind of went down a little bit, but it literally was raining. I was like, bro. So I can't even do the video now because it's raining, so that's nice. Driving the Mustang back home. Just cleaned it though, and look at this. Just cleaned it, and it's all rainy. I literally just cleaned this, and it's all watery. It's all now. I'm gonna get a bunch of water spots, but pretty much we're just gonna be heading home. In the rain, it's kind of off and on, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's literally pretty much it. It's literally just raining, whatever. I'm gonna clip this to the metal bar right here. Put it right there. Look at that. Exhaust mode is not even available. That's nice. It's literally what I want, bro. Nice. I did just fill up on gas yesterday, so pretty much got a full tank. I know y'all seen like 2 something. Obviously, I've been driving around, so it's obviously not gonna be like at a full, but it's pretty much basically a full tank. So that's nice. Last time to head home. Hopefully it doesn't rain no more, and all this water can come off when I'm driving. So only problem is it's a Mustang. Mustangs don't go getting water, so we about to see how well this Mustang can hold up with water. The camera, damn it. Oh. I would hit my fucking door. Put it in sport mode, get the full experience. Hope I can turn here. Some roads here, down here I can't turn down. Oh, this is one of them. Damn, bro. Again, like I said, hopefully the water can come off. If it can, that'll be nice. Bro's lights is on. Oh, bro's in the car. What the hell? I was low-key gonna rev it, but like stop and rev it, but there's a cop behind me, so I'm not sure if I can see him. He's in the light. was gonna say. Not trying to spin out here either, but we just gonna ball. Yep. I was really already spinning out, bro. I need roads that are not wet. And it's 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna get all the damn traffic. Nice. And it's hot too. Nice. Like, this is so great, bro. I got the rain, I got the traffic, and I got rain again. Floor, wet, Mustang literally does not go together. Let alone rain. Rain and Mustangs don't go together, and crowds and Mustangs don't go together as well either. Quite literally, if I try to do a hard pull, I'm spinning out. My traction, if you look in the video, I don't know if it'll show, it literally shows my traction control. Come on. Slide into this car. Yeah, look at all that water, bro. Like, Mustangs and water do not go together, bro. It's humid now because of the rain. Yo, this is literally Georgia weather though for you. It was literally raining and sunny and all this other stuff, and then boom, now it's all freaking cloudy, rainy, humid. I don't remember if I put it in the last video, but I literally talked about how Georgia weather, one of the videos I did, it literally started raining. Something just fucking hit my hand. I don't know what that was. Now we sit at this light forever. Yo, I'm low-key thinking about, like, I'm thinking about getting a new steering wheel with the flat bottom around the LED thing, whatever the frick it is called, and then obviously the carbon fiber, change the freaking the freaking airbag. Jeez, it literally says right here airbag. But yeah, I want to get an LED, maybe some starlights too. Honestly, I might add like 1 or 2 performance mods here and there, but realistically, I think I'm gonna go straight for like the way my car looks instead. Dude, it's dark over there. What the hell? car was louder, but you know, it is what it is. I love this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. My videos have not been doing so well recently. I don't really understand the reasoning for that. I mean, I don't know. I try to like. I mean, honestly, the best thing I can do is just ask y'all what y'all want to see, bro. Let me know down in the comments what type of content y'all would like. Cause me, I try to make as great content as I can. You know what I mean? Like I try to make like obviously a bunch of POV stuff and like certain drives and certain activities and stuff like that. So it's like I try to kind of make videos around that, but sometimes I feel like I'm just ending up in the same spot, creating the same videos over and over. Yeah, I completely forgot about this road being closed. Wow. I'm just gonna have to turn around here, honestly. I completely forgot about the road being closed, bro. I don't know how I don't know how I missed that. I'm not gonna lie. I have no clue how I missed that. Now I gotta hit a little U-turn here. Oh, let me not go in the ditch. That would not be nice. I guess it's time for y'all to hear freaking the hardest pull I could probably pull. Literally. Wow. Holy pulls. What is that truck passing, bro? Bro popped the tire. Bro popped the tire and is literally blocking all the, basically all the, oh shit. Oh. Now it's all sunny, bro. Nice. And my car's all spotty. Like, wow, bro. I literally just I just cleaned the car, bro. I literally just cleaned it for what? like I'm running from the storm right now, low key. It's literally just feels like I'm running from the storm. Yo, it's so freaking hot, bro. I'm literally I'm sweating in my car. Look at this. I don't even know if y'all can see this freaking thing right here. Look, it's literally water. It's like the what is it, like when the water like starts evaporating? Fucking, I don't know what it's called. I said condensation, but I don't think that's even right. But literally all the water is just like, that's how hot it is. Alright, YouTube, that is it for the video. Again, I hope you enjoy these type of videos. If you do enjoy these type of videos, like the video, subscribe, share it to a friend, turn on post notifications, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.